Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is a charger from VOLTME. Chargers come a dime a dozen, but sometimes you can find better deals outside of the companies that you're going to be using for a charger. So this is from VOLTME. I appreciate them sending it over. You can pause here and look at all the specifications for it. I also have them linked down in the description. It does come in two colors, black or white. You can actually get this for a very good deal right now for 30 bucks off. So basically 30% off, because it's regular $100. You can get it for $69.99. So be sure to hit that coupon, that link down below. Again, it comes in black and white. And we're gonna unbox it for you, and then I'll plug up a few things and show you that it's working properly. I do have laptops and cell phones. I have a lot of stuff I can plug up to this, and that's why I agreed to review it, because it's something that's actually useful to my channel. As you know, I do a lot of chargers and stuff like that on the channel, and this one kind of just made sense. Alright, that's how the box comes open. Looks like it's got a nice presentation. This is a little soft touch packet here, where it's got your materials inside. That's different. That's different. Shows you pretty much, it's telling you pretty much you can charge nearly anything. Yeah, that's what it pretty much says. And if you look here, you can pause this and read it if you like. It's got another 240 watts over here, let you know it is 240 watts, but it's got a breakdown of the 240 watts. So as you can see, any four USB-Cs, 231, 236, 226, and 236, and it has the breakdown of how you could use them. So, and there's also fixed 18 watt chargers in here as well. So it gives you the breakdown here. So if you're unfamiliar with it, just reference this right here inside the box, or hit the link in the description. You can read about it online, but pretty much it's right there in the box to let you know. I was curious to see how heavy this was, and it definitely has some weight to it. It's not something that you'll be like moving around a lot. So if you have this at your workstation, this is pretty much what this is going to be. So all right, so here's the product. We'll get into the box in just a second, but here are the USB-C ports. You've got C1, 2, 3, and 4, and you've got A1 and A2. And then you've got some FCC information on the bottom there. And again, you've got that 240 watt branding there. It lets you know this is 240 watts. And then you have your plug here for your DC. There you go, some branding up there. It's gonna be an LED light up there. So let's see what else is in the box, because it is neatly packaged. Got another box here. This is gonna be all your cables, more than likely. Yep. So this is your main plug right here. That's the main plug. Pretty lengthy cable. I like it. It's probably about 4 feet, maybe 5, more, maybe about 4 feet. You can probably get the exact specifications in the actual manual and paperwork in the box here. But this is a pretty thick cable, a very strong cable, so I don't anticipate any kind of heating issues or anything like that. This should hold up fairly well. And you've got another box in here. Oh, nothing else in there. And these are going to be some cables, more than likely. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, a couple more cables. This first one. Oh, braided. Oh, nice. Braided. So this is the 100 watt cable. It has it listed there. This can handle up to 100 watts. Just got some branding from the company on here. Yeah, VOLTME, and then 100 watts. And then what is this? This looks like a little bag or something. Oh yeah, it looks like a little bag you can put it in. So if you do travel, and it's actually insulated too, so it's like a soft touch velvety material. That's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. So you get 100-watt cable that can handle, and then you'll have anything else that you can provide from your own cables and stuff that you have. And now I'm going to plug up my laptop and probably a few other things just to kind of see. You know, I know it'll charge fast, but we want to make sure it's working properly, and that is the goal for this video. I will probably follow up later with more content, but I've got one of my laptops here. This is my Pro Art laptop, and this laptop was small enough to get in view. So the Pro Art actually uses its own proprietary charger right here, but I'm going to see if this laptop can charge the Pro Art. So I'm going to use their 100-watt cable, and the Pro Art comes with a 200-watt cable, a charging bank. So this is 240, but this is only going to push out 100, looks like, or maybe 233, I believe. Wasn't that the reading? So let's plug this in. I'm going to plug it in off camera down here. It's going to keep rolling here. No need to stop. So I'll plug this and run it around. And you can see here, I've actually got an LED light going already. And now I'm going to go into C1 here. And then I'll test different things here. And I'm going to just plug up into this port here. I've never charged this computer outside of using the regular cable, so I don't know if it'll actually charge it here, but we'll find out. And if this doesn't go through, there's also a green light on the USB cable here, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you can kind of see that there. I'll dim the lights for a second. You can see the cable. You can see the green light right there. Lets you know, boom, it's got a little thunderbolt looking thing. All right. I just want to see if this is charging. And it looks like it is. Yeah, battery plugged in. So it is working. It is working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get some of my own cables here and plug up. I have another type C right here. And I'll just plug it into C2. It would have been nice if they would have shipped more cables or whatever. But let's go ahead and just grab different phones here. There we go. Now I noticed that once I plugged in the phone, the computer said on battery, and then it went back to charging. So it took a second to register, but it is plugged in and it is charging. So I'll grab another item here. I'm just doing it this angle for you, just kind of show you here. Keeping the product in view here, I want to show you that it's not getting faulty. So I've got another type C, and let's grab the Pixel. And it plugs in, and then everything kind of like the last item I plugged in. So this time the iPhone said, hey, something else getting plugged in. And so they're all plugged in. So you can see it's charging there, and it's actually charging on the actual computer as well. So let's get these unplugged and let's close out here. Pretty good, pretty good. I really like it. I think it's a nice addition as a workstation for sure, because why wouldn't I want to have something like this in my catalog? And we'll unplug it here. Yeah, fairly strong plug. Oh man, I like that they give you their own cable here. I like that they give you their own 100-watt cable, and that 100-watt cable has a little LED light on it, which is pretty cool, next to the 100 watts. So that little light right there turns green to let you know that it's actually charging. I think that's really cool. But it would have been nice if they'd have included maybe 4 of those or 3 of those. I'm pretty sure it's not that much for them in price, I would assume. But you do get 4, so you'll be able to charge at a very high speed in your workstation. You'll be able to keep all your items plugged in and charged. So you could essentially plug in multiple laptops, an iPad, a tablet of your choice, a Samsung laptop, anything that uses Type C or Type A, you'd be able to plug it in. So that's a good deal. I really like how this looks. It's nice and sleek. It's got some weight to it too, folks, because it is a 240-watt charger. My 200-watt charger from my my Pro Art and my other laptops, they are twice the size as this, but they're heavy as this, but they're just thinner and longer. So, but yeah, this is a good look. So I appreciate them sending this over, and I'll leave the link in the description so you can grab yours. Remember, folks, this is $30 off. So tell me where you can find a 240 watt charger that is $69. Very rare, but it's possible. And again, this does come in white and black. 6 ports. Remember to look at the chart in the inside, and maybe they do sell their own. I'll have to look more into it, but maybe they do sell their own USB cables, because I think that's actually pretty cool that they have their USB cable built the way it is with the little Thunderbolt looking light on there letting you know it's actually working. And you have that single LED up top. Very subtle, sleek. The white one is for somebody who wants a white one, and the black one is for someone who wants a black one. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wow. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.